Today I'm going to talk about water in the basement. We've had a lot of rain recently. This past weekend it rained crazy, and the weekend before it was also crazy. And with a large amount of rain outside, it's very possible that people who have never had water in their basements before have gotten some in over the last 2 weekends. If it's an occurrence, something that only happens once in a while, you just need to disclose it on the property condition disclosure when you go to sell your house. But if you get so much water in your basement that you need to call the fire department in to pump it out, that's a larger problem, and you really need to call a basement specialist in to take a look at your basement and figure out where the water is coming from, how it's getting in, and how they can fix it. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.